Guys, welcome to Project Management World, and we are here. We are back with another video, which is a very simple topic, but yes, you must need to understand this. And the topic is the project management, program management, and portfolio management. So we will cover these three topics today, and we will see how these three are linked and different from each other, and how each managements, how they looks after the projects. So let's start this. If you able to see the screen, so we have a project management here. So what we do under project, so as per definition, what is project management? So it is the process of organizing resources, coordinating teams, setting deadlines, and monitoring the progress of individual projects. So project management we used for a single project, individual project. So that's what it is telling here, that how we perform, like we organize the resources, we coordinate the teams, we set the deadlines, and then we monitor the progress of individual project. So that's what the project management is, and the person here who leads the projects is called as a project manager, and his responsibilities we can see here. So responsibilities of a project manager are collaborating with clients to determine project goals and scope. So he deals with the client, he communicate with the client to get clarity on project goals and scope. Then he manages the project budget as well. Then he manage with the team member and resources to get the work done. And then he conduct the risk analysis as well. And then he set the milestones and check the progress accordingly. So this is some of the responsibility mentioned here. Project manager has a lot of responsibilities. So the project manager itself is responsible to deliver a project to customer. So for customer, a single point of contact is a project manager, and project manager has his team at the back end. So he makes sure that yes, we should complete this work as we have agreed with the customer. So that's what the project management is. Now coming to the next, it is program management. So what it is, so program management is the process of overseeing multiple related or unrelated projects that strive towards the same objective and are best managed as a group rather than individually. So what we do here in the program management, so program management is nothing, we oversee multiple projects, like we can oversee a group of related or unrelated projects, but their goals, objective or goal should be on the same path. So how we take that group of project as a separate program, and then we manage them, because managing the individual project and managing them all the projects together is more beneficial as per the company objectives, as per their program objectives. So that's what it is, the program management. And the professional that are under program management are called as a program manager, and his responsibilities is also listed here. So if you see here, coordinating multiple team across the different professional disciplines. So yes, if we have a more multiple projects, so program manager responsibilities to coordinate with all the disciplinary resources or the teams, and then developing overall strategic, financial, and operational objective. So he developed overall strategy as well, and then handling project interdependencies and conducting risk mitigations, creating program timelines and milestones. So the main function of program manager, that he can prioritize the project which he thinks can be more useful as a benefit to that program, you can say. So yeah, that's what the responsibilities of a program manager. And we discuss about, like, project is an individual project and program contains multiple projects that may be related or unrelated, but yeah, their objective should be same. So that's how we group the some projects, and which is called as a program. So next and the last one we have is the portfolio management. So what it is, so the selection, prioritization, and control of organization, programs, and projects, so in line with the strategic objective and capacity to deliver. So in this, the portfolio manager sees the overall picture based on the company's vision or company's objective. So he prioritize, he add the value to those program or those project which he thinks can deliver that are more aligned with the our company's benefits or company's objective. Main work of portfolio manager is to align it, to see which projects are aligned with our organization strategy, and then he can manage the project accordingly. He can shift the priority you can say, and give more attention to some projects based on the project, whether they are aligned with the organization or not. So the portfolio management are responsible here implementing project and program management approach and processes. Okay, and then we have determining the most important business objective. Yes, we portfolio management do here. And then establishing financial and budgeting initiative. Yes, and then overseeing large scale resource allocation. So he oversee like to which projects he need to align the resources on priority, so that we can meet the organization objective first. So, and then last one we have is the making sure that all project and program help achieve program level goals. So also he needs to make sure that program and project level objectives should also meet in order to achieve the organization strategies. So yeah, that's the difference between project, program and portfolio. So hope you have understood something from here, and let me know in comment section if you have any suggestions, any feedback for me. So yeah, that's it from today's video, and we'll come back again with another video soon. So thanks and have a good day.